back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an updated hair care routine. We've talked a lot about hair health and products we love in our hair and how to grow your hair long, and today I just kind of want to do an update on the products I'm using and some of the things I swear by to keep my hair healthy and in return be able to grow it out. I recently chopped a bunch off and it's grown back really quickly and really healthy, so I wanted to definitely share the things that I've been using lately. I think over time things change, we get new products, we try new things, and we want to share them. So thank you guys so much for clicking on this video. Make sure you're subscribed so you never miss a video, and I'm just going to get right into it. So I think the biggest thing for healthy hair, that if you're trying to grow it long or whatever, if you want healthy hair, avoiding damage. And I think that's pretty obvious. We know that heat isn't great for our hair, but there's a lot of other things that aren't that great for our hair that we maybe don't think about every day. And some of that is like the way we brush our hair. So one of the things I recommend is always being very gentle when you're brushing your hair. Don't rip through your hair. I think we've talked a lot about a wet brush. I think everyone knows about this and uses it, but I just love the wet brush, how gentle it is on my hair. One of the things I always do is brush my hair while I'm in the shower while the conditioner and water are running through it. That's the easiest time to get any kind of tangles out, and then after that I'm very careful. Like, I try not to brush tangles through or I rip any hair, especially once my hair is like damp and almost dry. That's like the most vulnerable time. I can just feel my hair is very brittle during that time. Once it's all the way dry, then it's usually a lot more smooth and I can get more tangles out if I need to. But definitely be careful with the way that you're brushing your hair. Along the lines of like the way we care for our hair is the way we dry our hair. And I think like typically we all like to wrap our hair up just to keep it out while it's wet. But I think that using harsh cotton towels, first of all, it creates frizz in your hair because the cotton and everything is just not that forgiving and soft, so you're adding frizz into your hair, and it's also pretty tough. It can cause a lot of breakage. So I've been using this microfiber towel to wrap my hair in, and it's called a Turby Twist. I got this at Walmart, but there's so many versions. You can get it on Amazon. So affordable, but seriously, I swear by this, and I just use it every time I get my hair wet, and then I pull it up, twist it, and it has this little elastic so that it all stays. And even though my hair is pretty long, it still works really well. And then look, I have a cute little turban, and my hair is out of my face while it's drying, while it's wet, and then it's also protected because my microfiber is very soft. And then the next product that I've been using probably for a while now, like over a year I think, is like, I'm gonna show you, it's really gross because yeah, it's my pillowcase. It's like a silk pillowcase, and I swear by this, you guys. I can feel the difference. Some nights when I grab my other pillows that don't have these silk pillowcases on it, I can feel like the breakage around my face where I'm like, do you guys nuzzle? Like, I nuzzle into my pillows, so I can feel that like nuzzling. I'm just like breaking my hair off and causing damage to the tension and the friction. And so I try to always use my silk pillowcase, and it's also really good for your skin. If you think about it, like if your skin is like resting in a certain position on a harsh cotton pillowcase all night long, it's just not great for it's going to create wrinkles over time, and this is just a little more slick so it doesn't catch as harshly. I swear by this silk pillowcase for my hair, for my skin. I think it's such a great thing and super cheap. I think I got that one on Amazon for like 10 bucks, so it's worth it to me. The next thing I want to talk to you guys about are products. And I think if you're trying to have healthy hair, then you need to really watch the products you're using. I don't think all drugstore products are bad. I think that you can find things that don't have harsh chemicals and parabens and sulfates, but it's harder, it's more difficult. And then by the time you end up paying for those, you might as well have bought in a higher end brand, because at the drugstore they're going to be more expensive when they're cleaner products like that. So I'm going to share with you guys the shampoo and conditioner I'm honestly truly loving. However, I will say I like to switch it up. If I go through a whole bottle, I will probably use something else the next time, but if I really like something, I'll go back to it probably every other time. I really feel like my hair responds so well when I switch up my products. So the ones that I'm using right now that I'm really loving are from they're from Wow Skin Science, and that's a hair conditioner and apple cider vinegar shampoo. Apple cider vinegar is great for cleaning your hair and just getting rid of all the buildup. So I think this is an amazing conditioner. And then this is like a coconut oil or conditioner. So sorry, shampoo, conditioner. Anyways, but both of them, I feel like my hair is so healthy and so strong, silky, smooth, shiny, and I don't know, like, this is my hair natural right now. What you're seeing, this isn't with a straightener or blow dried, this is air dried hair. And to me, the healthier your hair is, the smoother it's gonna be. Not that it's not curly, it can be curly, but it's the healthier it is, the smoother those curls are going to be. So for me, this is like an example of my hair being very, very healthy, despite the fact that I bleach it. I really attribute a lot of it to using clean products. I've been using these for a little while, and I can seriously tell a difference compared to when I sometimes use my husband's drugstore stuff, because let's be honest, he's cutting his hair off. I don't need to be spending a ton of money on him. But these aren't crazy expensive either. I think it's like, I don't want to, I'll link it below, you guys can see. But I do really like these, and I'm not saying you have to use those, I'm just saying use clean products. And that brings me to the next thing. Sometimes I get thinking like if I want something, it has to come naturally, but no, you can get help, you can get assistance, and so you can take vitamins and use products that promote hair growth and promote hair health. So I've been taking these vitamins now for over a month, like a month and a half, and guys, I really like them. I'm actually gonna make an entire video review showing you guys the results of using this in my hair over time. So there's these vitamins, and this is like an oil that they kind of come in a package together. So this oil is supposed to generate hair growth and thicken your hair, which honestly, like, it's hard for me to know which it is because I've been using them both together, but my hair has never been so thick, and it has grown really, really quickly. So you guys know I love castor oil. I love, 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 love castor oil. I think it's like the miracle oil, heals everything. And this does have castor oil in it. It also has jojoba oil, Jamaican black castor oil, and some vitamin E. So it's actually like a lot of castor oil, but it also has other things. I think this works better than castor oil, which I know that says a lot because I love my castor oil, but I think this oil is really working and promoting my hair health. You don't have to use it. If you want to have healthy hair, like, you can do these other things and not use it, but if there's something out there that can help, why not? And then again, with conjunction, is that even the right way to use that word? In conjunction with the oil, I've been taking these vitamins. I would list all of the vitamins that these have, but basically the main ones that stand out to me are folic acid, B12, zinc oxide, iodine, biotin, niacin. These things stimulate hair growth, and since I've been taking them, I feel my hair is like, I feel like it's taking me a long time to get my hair where I want it to be. And I won't say the color is exactly what I want, but I will say the hair health. For me to be able to hop out of the shower and have this kind of hair just air dry is incredible. Something I've been searching for my whole life. I do have these crazy baby hairs right now because I just had a baby, and because my hair is growing in, and then between taking those, my baby hairs are growing in really quickly. So that's kind of awkward, but that's gonna be like after you have a baby, you can't fight it. So anyways, that's the other thing. The last tip I have for you is kind of a tricky one, but it's 2018. The world is accepting, and that is, find a natural hairstyle that works for you. I think curling your hair is beautiful. I think all the beautiful styles and beach curls and all this stuff that people can do, I love it. I think it's all beautiful, and there's a time and a place, like there's occasions where you want that hair. But I think that from a day-to-day basis, find a hairstyle that works for you where you don't have to do that unnecessary damage. For me, this is it. Like, this is pretty much like I feel great in this hair. I will go out, I'll do things. I like this hairstyle. It might not be for you because maybe you want something more smooth or without any of this waviness, or maybe you have curlier hair and it's hard for you to just like dry it and go. But I would recommend that you find something, embrace your natural hair so you're not constantly putting stress on it, and own it and love it. And I think that's been another huge thing for me. I remember in high school, I straightened my hair almost every day. That hair is pretty much all gone. I've pretty much grown out new hair since then. So luckily I haven't been doing that for a long time. But I wish I would have just always embraced my natural hair. I think it would have been healthier, and it would have grown longer and thicker and shinier and prettier. So those are my tips for you guys. I'm always trying new products, so I do plan on doing other updates, but this is the most current, like the things that I'm loving that I swear by to get long, healthy hair. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, make sure you're subscribed so you never miss a video. And I will be doing like a full-on results of using that oil and vitamins. I use them religiously. I never missed a day. And I want to share those results with you guys, like the before and afters, and really kind of like, what do the vitamins taste like? How were they hard to swallow or whatever? So I'll share that video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we will see you next time.